Hey guys, so today I'm going on vacation to this place called Great Wolf Lodge. It is a really special place to me. I go there every year and I wanted to really show you guys because it's really fun. And right now I am in my pajamas, getting ready to go and pack up and stuff like that. You'll see how much fun it is when I'll be taking videos when I'm driving there, when we are at the place, when we're swimming, stuff like that. So yeah, this is the first clip. There'll be much more to make this into a big video. Thank you so much. Bye. Okay, so I'm in the car right now. I'm driving to Great Wolf Lodge. I got my clothes on and I'm in my pajamas still. We are driving there right now and I'm so excited. Probably see in the back where we are. So yeah, I'm so excited. So just to let you know, I figured out the schedule for when we're going to be filming. It's going to be like when we get there, when we have dinner there, when we're playing there, when we're taking a break at the hotel, tomorrow morning, stuff like that. It's going to be a really long video. So thank you so much.
Did we walk down there?
Watch.
Oh,
and I also filmed when we're there, like at the park. So I'm at Great Wolf Lodge right now, and like I said, I will be taking videos here. So hey guys. Yeah, I'm here. It's awesome. That's the balcony. So I'll be doing more clips when it gets later.
Bye.
Bye. Let me close this. Bye. Okay, so I'm at the restaurant right now, eating dinner.
I thought maybe they were.
Eating delicious, yummy lemonade, and I'm eating right now with my ears on. So yeah. So I'm going to record at the arcade because there's a really fun arcade.
It's someone from every park. She's recording.
Okay, I need to food. You can't really see it, but I'm eating food. So I will record at the arcade, and it's much fun to be here. Keep watching. I didn't film and I just woke up, and yeah, I was going to record at the arcade, but we forgot to turn on. So I'm just recording with the iPad right now. It's morning time, and we're going to do another clip at the pool, and then I'm going to record the whole thing because this is our last day here at Poop. So, yeah, it's morning time, and I really want to get to move on with getting out and eating. So, thank you. Bye. This is my pina colada. I just got it. It's delicious.